Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Online School, a school for Olympiad champions. And here we are here today for the discussion of IEO's practice sample paper for class 2. As you know that English Olympiad is around the corner in September, and this paper will surely help to achieve your goal in International English Olympiad. So let us first understand how the question paper would be. So there would be four sections where you would be getting the first section as word and structure knowledge, second one reading, then spoken and written expressions, and fourth one is achiever section. In word and structure knowledge, there would be 15 questions. It would be 1 mark each, and that section covers the allocation, spelling, identify the word form and everything which is written over here. In the section 2, it would be reading that evaluates your reading capabilities. 10 questions, 1 mark each, and it would be including search for and retrieve information from the various text types like stories, short dialogues, etc. The third one is spoken and written expression, where it will be 5 questions. It would be carrying 1 mark per question. And the syllabus for that is ability to understand situation paid variations. The section number 4 would be achiever section, where 5 questions will be there, and every mark would be for the 2 marks. Every question would be for the 2 marks. Here it would be high order thinking questions, syllabus as per section 1, 2, and 3. So let us start for the sample paper with question number 1 and the section 1, that is word and structure knowledge. So here for question 1 and 2, use the clues to choose the right word. For example, we use this to fly from one place to another. Which one do you use? Do you use train, car, or helicopter? Helicopter, right? Coming to the question number 1, you use this to wash your hair. What do you use? Do you use oil, shampoo, or soap? The correct answer would be shampoo. Second one, you use this to keep your books. What do you keep? What do you use to keep your books? A bag, right? Then coming to question number 3 to 5. This picture, based on the picture, you need to tell what is this. So this is what? For example, this is a dog. Correct answer would be dog. In the given picture, as you know, this is an elephant. What are we celebrating here? We are celebrating Holi festival. Question number 5 from the above one. This is a mango picture. Then we have to find the rhyming words. For example, rope is there. What is the rhyming word? So the rhyming words are which at the end gives the same kind of pronunciation like rope, hope, rope, good, rope, lock. Which one is rhyming here? It is rhyming hope here, right? Now for that, curse. What would be rhyming? Bear, star, or purse? It should be purse, right? Then now coming to the question number 7, 7 to 9. For example, one toe, and what would be the many for the toe? It would be many toes, singular to plural, right? Now we have to find one calf, many. What will it will be? It will be CALFS calves, CALFSS, or CALV. So we know that in the plural, here the correct spelling would be calves. One woman. Then what would be the spelling for that? Women. One mango. Many mangoes. MANGOES, mangoes. Correct. Now, from question number 10 to 12, use the most suitable word to fill in the blank. Children like to walk with the toy, play with the toy, or the talk. What do you do with the toys? You play with them. So you need to find out which would be the suitable word that you would be filling in here, right? A washing machine is used to color the clothes, wash the clothes, or fold the clothes. It would be wash the clothes, right? A cobbler. Cobbler, what does the cobbler does? Mend shoes, wash shoes, or the break them. It would be mending the shoes, right? Question number 12. I a zebra in the zoo. I see, I saw, or I seen. What? I saw a zebra in the zoo. Correct. The word for countable and non-countable nouns. For example, I met people at the party. I met many people at the party, right? When you are into the party, you will be meeting many people. So this was an example. The question is, I have eraser. I gave some to many my friends, right? I have what you would be having if you are giving to your friends? Many. I have many erasers. I gave some to my friends, right? Now coming to question number 14. So here the question is choose the best word out of it, right? So for example, it was very cold. I'm wearing a sweater. Because this is cold, so I am wearing a sweater. I was hungry. I ate only one chapati. I was hungry, but I ate only one chapati. Sam had two ice creams. He was not happy. Sam had two ice creams, but still he was not happy, right? Okay, so next question comes here about the reading. So here one passage will be given to you, and based on that passage, there would be some questions and you need to find out the answers. So here would be in this one, 16 to 21 questions will be there, and this is the paragraph. Let's read it out. The bluebird. A little bluebird makes a nest in a tree. It works very hard. It brings sticks and grasses. It makes a good nest. A big black crow comes. It says, "This is my nest. Go away." The bluebird says, "No, this is my nest." Boxer, the dog, sees the crow. It barks loudly. The crow flies away. The bluebird says, "Thank you, Boxer." Now there are 6 eggs in the nest. The bluebird sits on them. Boxer sits underneath the tree. 6 little bluebirds come out of the eggs. Boxer is happy. Now he has lots of friends, right? So based on this paragraph, the question number 1, who makes the nest? Who has made the nest? A big black crow, a little bluebird, or a dog called Boxer? Who made it? We know it's a little bluebird. Now, based on this, question number second from this one, but it is question number 17. The nest is made of hay and sticks, leaves and grasses, and grass and stick. Which one it was made up of? It was made up of grass and stick. Next question. Dash is, "This is my nest. Go away." Who said this? I know. The crow said, the big black crow said, "This is my nest. You go away." Question number 19. When Boxer barks, the helper of the bluebird, who said what? The crow flies away. How many eggs are there in the nest? 5, 6, or 7? Very easy, 6. Boxer is happy because there are eggs in the nest. There are 6 bluebirds in the nest. He has 6 new friends to play with. He is happy because he has more friends to play with now. Right now, the next section, that is spoken and written expression. There, the questions 22 to 26. Choose the best reply to complete the each conversation. Means each conversation means the way like the we are conversing with the people. What should be the best answer for that? So question number 22. Jatin. Hello, my name is Jatin. What's your name? Mala. What would be the Mala saying? I am Mala. I like your name, or it's a short name. It would be I am Mala, because if somebody is introducing to us, we should introduce ourselves too. Question number 23. Rani, may I borrow this book? Teacher, what the teacher will say? Yes, it's a story book. Yes, it's a new book. Yes, you may. It would be yes, you may. If somebody is asking permission, we will say yes, you can or you may. 24. Mino, it's my birthday today. Have a chocolate. Pinku, happy birthday. Then what would be he saying? I like biscuits, Mino. Thank you, Mino. Chocolates are sticky, Mino. What would be? So he will say, happy birthday. Thank you, Mino, because she has given chocolate to Pinku. Question number 25. How was your birthday party? Minu said, fantastic, too much crowd. The cake was good. So if you are throwing a party and somebody asks what you will say, you will say it was fantastic. Now Sandy says, how are you? Andy says, I'm awesome, I'm fine, I don't like tea. What you will say? I will say, I'm fine, thank you. Right. Now for question 27 to 30, read the note and answer the questions. Hi mom, I'm at school. The football match begins at 7 p.m. Tell dad to leave work early. Bring my cousin Rahul too. I want you all to watch me play. We are going to win. Hooray! Yay, I love to play, John said. Now, based on that, some questions are there. Question number 27. Who is writing the note? John. He is writing a note to whom? To his mother. What type of note is this? What type of note is this? This is an informal. Informal means, see, there are formal and informal. When we are writing an official note, informal when we are writing to our family and friends. Semi-informal in between of that. Right. Question number 30. Who else can you write? We can write a doctor, the principal, or a friend. Informal note, as I told, can be written to a family or a friend, right? Very good. Now, last section, achiever section, it would be carrying 2 marks per question. So we have to use these questions wisely. Choose the best reply to complete conversation. So first one, Seema says, where are you from? Preeti says, I am from India, coming from India, from the India. I will say, I am from India. That would be the correct answer. Now, for questions 32 and 35, choose the most appropriate answer. My dad doesn't like it when my brother drives the car. Dash talks on his mobile while driving. So it would be but, because, or so. So my dad doesn't like it when my brother drives the car because he talks on his mobile while driving. There is a reason why my dad doesn't like it. Right? The fastest way to travel long distances is by the fastest way. We are asking fastest way for the long distances. It would be air. Right? Now question number 34 and 35. Last two questions. Question number 34. Choose the word which rhymes. Dear pet near comb. Dear pet, dear near, dear comb. Which is rhyming? The near is rhyming. I am on to Goa. Right? What would be coming here? I am on holidays to Goa. I am on holiday to Goa. It would be option number B here. Right. And with this, we hope that this would be helpful for your preparation and do well. All the very best.